If you've ever tucked a few lemons into the fridge when they were on sale, only to find them shriveled or moldy a week later, let me show you the simple little kitchen secret I've used for years to keep lemons fresh, fragrant, and ready to use all year long without wasting a single one. Hello everyone, this is Tracy. Today, join me as we go through 4 tips to properly store lemons, keeping them delicious, fresh longer, and always ready to use anytime. Let's get started. The first method is one I have used for over 10 years and it has never failed, that is freezing yellow lemons. Start by cutting the lemon in half. Then squeeze the juice through a strainer so the seeds don't fall in. This helps save cooking time later and keeps the lemon juice smooth and clean. And don't throw away the lemon peels. We will use them separately. Once you have a bowl of fresh lemon juice, pour it into an ice cube tray, filling each section with just enough for one use. That way, you will never have to measure again. Next, cover it and place the tray in the freezer for about 1 to 2 hours until the cubes are completely frozen. Any leftover lemon juice can be poured into a glass jar with a tight-fitting lid and stored in the refrigerator. This way, your lemon juice can last from 1 to 2 weeks while still keeping its full flavor. Now back to the frozen lemon cubes. When you need them, simply take them out one at a time and use them conveniently. This method allows the lemon juice to stay fresh in the freezer for 10 to 12 months. Since we already have lemon cubes, I'll use them to make a fragrant and creamy lemon slush. Start by adding about 5 lemon cubes into a blender. Add 1 cup of small ice cubes. Grate in a little lemon zest for extra aroma. Then add 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk or heavy cream, and a little simple syrup to balance the flavor. Then close the lid and blend until smooth. Once the mixture is smooth, pour it into a glass, and you instantly have a refreshing, gently sweet lemon slush. This drink is perfect as a substitute for ice cream on a hot summer day. And who would believe it was made from lemon juice you preserved yourself? Right now, this is the method to make use of the lemon peels from earlier for storage. Normally, after squeezing the juice, people tend to throw them away. However, for me, this is truly the most fragrant and valuable part of the lemon. Take the lemon peels you just used and finely grate the yellow outer layer with a grater. Try to avoid the white pith underneath because that part can taste bitter. I grate all of the peel so I can use it gradually over time. After grating, place all of the lemon zest into a small container with a tight lid, or you can use a zip-top bag, which is also very convenient. Gently spread it out into a thin, flat layer. This helps prevent the zest from clumping together, making it easy to take out the amount you need later. Then close the lid and place it in the freezer. And that's it. Whenever you're cooking, just take a small pinch directly from the freezer without thawing. The zest still stays loose, fragrant, and fresh. Just a light sprinkle is enough to enhance the flavor of cake, baked dishes, pasta, pan-seared chicken, or even roasted vegetables. The aroma remains bright and natural, never bitter. Since applying this method, I no longer waste lemon peels, and every meal becomes a little more special. If you like preparing everything ahead of time, especially during the warmer months, then this next method will definitely make you love it. making concentrated lemon syrup. First, squeeze fresh lemon juice into a bowl, making sure to remove all the seeds. Prepare about 200 milliliters of lemon juice. Then pour it into a clean saucepan and add about 200 grams of sugar, or you can reduce the amount of sugar slightly according to your own taste. Stir well until the sugar dissolves completely and cook over low heat. Let it simmer gently, stirring occasionally so it doesn't burn, and cook until the sauce thickens slightly. It doesn't need to be too thick. Just slightly syrupy is enough. Turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Once cooled, pour the syrup into a clean glass bottle or jar with a tight-fitting lid and store it in the refrigerator. With this lemon syrup, you can make a glass of lemonade in just 5 seconds. Add 1 spoonful into a cup. Pour in enough water, stir well, and it's ready to drink. It helps provide vitamin C to support the immune system and improve skin health, and you can drink it every morning. After using, remember to store it in the refrigerator. It can be used for 2 to 3 months. Finally, a preservation method that is completely different from the ones above is making a salted lemon mixture. It is easy to make, convenient, and allows you to use the entire lemon without wasting anything. First, wash the lemons thoroughly and dry them completely. Next, cut the lemons into small pieces. Keep the peel, but remove all the seeds. The lemon peel adds a wonderful aroma, so keep it and use it as well. After cutting, put all the lemon pieces into a blender and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt has the ability to draw out moisture and inhibit bacteria, so it is very good for preserving lemons. Then blend until the mixture becomes thick and slightly coarse. After blending, pour the mixture into a clean glass jar. Press it down gently to remove air bubbles. Then seal the lid tightly. Store the jar in the refrigerator. The salt will help preserve the lemons naturally, allowing you to keep this mixture in the refrigerator for many months while still maintaining a fresh flavor whenever you want to cook, marinate, or make salad dressing. And those are 4 simple, practical ways to keep your lemons fresh and ready to use whenever you need them. Which method do you like the most out of the ones above? Let me know in the comments. I hope today's video has helped you store and keep your lemons fresh for as long as possible. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to receive more useful daily tips.